Hey guys, today let's learn how to add collaborator in Instagram post after posting a reel. So if you guys want to go ahead and add a specific collaborator onto a specific Instagram reel after you've posted it, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. So if you want to go ahead and basically do this, well, the first thing I would like you guys to do is to go ahead and of course launch the Instagram application. And from here, let's choose the specific reel that we want to go ahead and add a collaborator to. In this case, I'm going to choose this reel right here, and I'm going to tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and then let's tap on edit. In this case, I could actually go ahead and tap on tag people, and then tap to tag, of course, the specific person that I want to go ahead and tag. In this case, all we need to do is enter the username of that person, and then go ahead and tag them like so. But as we know, that is only an option to basically tag a person and not invite them as a collaborator. Well, as of the current update of Instagram, we actually don't have the option to invite them as a collaborator if you've already posted the reel. So if it is a newly posted reel, the quick way in order for us to solve this issue is to technically just go ahead and delete the reel, post it again, and then as you post it, of course, don't forget to add the collaborator that you want to go ahead and add onto that specific reel, and then post it to your feed. Now that's just a quick workaround, and that's basically the most that we can do as of the current update, and I hope you guys learned something. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did. I'll see you guys on the next one, and again, this is How to Tech and Tutorials.